This is 5 ways to make saving money easier. Saving money is the keystone of a good financial plan. Have you ever wanted something that was just so expensive and you had to save for it and it seemed like a massive task that you just would never accomplish and it just wasn't worth it, so you borrowed for it? Here are 5 ways you can regularly save money so you don't have to go borrowing money, so you don't have to struggle to find, to buy, and to get that thing that you desperately want or to invest. Please note, my assumption is you'll be saving money into your bank account, not under your pillow. Right now, there's not really much of a difference between your bank account and a pillow, but either way, it's still the same thing. The first thing that you can do is to move all of your unspent cash from the previous days into your savings account. If you keep cash, then you should go to an ATM or your bank and once a week deposit all cash that you have into your savings account. This is a really easy way to just start saving without really thinking about it. If you'd budgeted $20 to spend on a day out and you had $5 left, take that $5 and put it into your savings account. That's one way to start saving. The second way is to save a specific percentage of your income every time you get paid. Maybe percentages aren't your thing. In that case, just save a specific dollar amount. If you get paid $2,000 every fortnight, then maybe decide to save 50%. If you can't save 50%, maybe 25%. If you can't do 25%, then maybe 10%. Every little helps. It'll take longer if you're saving slower, but either way, you'll still get to where you need to get to. And again, if you can't do percentages, then decide to save $100 every week, $200 every week. It will go a long way. The third thing you can do, now in order to do step 2, you might need to come up with a budget. A budget is a way of understanding where your money is going to go even before you receive it. I believe a budget is something everyone should have. A budget can be as simple as figuring out how much money you need and deciding to save the rest. There's different ways to budget and you can find that in another one of my videos. The fourth way is to find a group of family or friends that you can truly trust. Trust is the key word here. They can act as your accountability partners. If you need that added incentive just to make sure you can save that little bit more or just so you can be strict on yourself. You could discuss setting up a joint account where you put savings in every week or every fortnight or every month with your family and your friends. And this way, when someone doesn't put the money in, you can ask them, hey, what's going on? Do you need some extra help? Let's talk about things. I believe it's a really good idea to talk with the people around you about your finances. It just helps you to keep on track and it just gives you some more accountability. The hardest person to be accountable to is yourself. The fifth thing is the biggest thing. Avoid borrowing any more money from today unless it's part of a larger financial plan and you're investing in property. Otherwise, pay off all of your debt first and see how much money you have left over at the end of every payday. Now take all of the money you were previously paying into debt and put that into a savings account. Now, if you had to pay off a car loan of $300 every single month, the very day that you pay it off, that month you have an extra $300. Now, instead of going out and getting another car loan or going out and spending that $300 on something else, why not put that $300 into your savings? You don't need to improve your lifestyle, just keep your lifestyle the same. Don't let your lifestyle creep up in value. Just keep doing the same things, finding cheaper ways, reducing your debt, and the less debt you have, the more expendable income you have. The less debt you have, the more income that you have to use on investments and on savings and to direct towards things that you really need. The really important thing is to reduce your debts. With all of the above, it starts with a little discipline. Once you do it for a few weeks and then months, you start to see changes in how you save. You start to see changes in how you do things. So now you have some basic ideas on how you can start saving money and how you can make it easier for yourself. Leaving a like and a comment below if you have any other ideas on how to make saving money easier for everyone would be amazing. Thank you and see you in the next video.